Hi everybody. So just a quick update on how my bird project is going, and I've just been working on the leaves right now. I just kind of want to make them a mix of some darks and greens, and on the leaves I decided I want to do them all solid fills. So I went ahead and I've got a couple different fills that I've been working on because I want to try to do like a different fill on every one. And so I did satin stitch. This is kind of a reverse Romanian stitch, and on this guy I'm getting started to do a regular Romanian stitch on. And then I did the fishbone, which I just love this stitch, and the closed cretin, which I also just love this. And it was a little bit open, so I went ahead and put some straight stitches in a slightly different color of green, just a little bit lighter to give it a little bit of variegation. And I've been using a back stitch to run along the outside edges of them, and then outlining them with various other just running stitches, chain stitches, that kind of thing. I haven't put one around this guy yet. I haven't decided. I just love the outside of him, so I don't think I'm going to outline this one. But yeah, so that's where I am right now, and I'm going to keep working on the leaves. I got myself a new color of green today that I'm going to throw in. This is 686, and I picked that up today, and just going to throw that in for a little bit of a medium tone because I've got the so light and two that are very dark, and I thought a medium would be nice. And when I get all the leaves done, I'm probably going to go ahead and do the branches, which I think I'm going to do all with like maybe a brick stitch, and I'm going to variegate it from the light brown to the darker brown, give it a little bit of 3D, and then I'm going to be working on the birds, and that's, I think, the part I'm really excited about. I think I'm going to do them all in blues. I haven't quite decided on that yet, but, well, I'll do another vlog later on in a few days or a week or so when I get a little bit farther along. Alright, see you later. Bye.